You can't even make this stuff up. I got called out for safety. How y'all doing today? Soy boy sitting in his mom's basement emailed me about I'm not safe with my grinders. So, I ain't got nothing going on. So, hey, you gonna talk some shit? Well, I'm gonna talk it right back at you, buddy. So, safety. Here we go. One, two, three, safety.
You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a motorcycle helmet, goggles, and a safety vest. I had somebody email me about being unsafe. I was going to do this anyway because of the newbies, but the funny thing was, it wasn't with this buff, and that's an unsafe one. It's with the big boys, which these are the best things to get safety wise. As you can see, they cover up the outer part of the ring or whatever. But let's actually discuss what's unsafe, which is this. Why is that unsafe to all the newbies? It's very simple. There's not a ring here. I got one in the house, but a lot of times I just tighten this thing down and I go with it, right? But here's how it actually should be. Actually, you have another one of these, and there's a locking nut that goes here. So you don't want to do this. Notice how that covers the rings? So you need one on the back side too, right? The dogs are excited about the video. So that way, if this thing ever comes apart, it'll do less damage. That's about it. Now, for those of you who are wondering, the Brahma Bull has these nice, come on, get out of there, these things. And that's a 6,000, 3,500. So these things will go right on there. You'll do the same thing as you do on the 6,000. Well, you'll get it screwed on there. Hit your lock. Boom. Good to go. These, like I said, are expensive, but they cover up everything. So you can use your, I guess, your centerless buffs, they would call them, versus these. I started out with these when I started, but if you're tired of those, plop it down, put your ring on it, you're good to go. Now, that's what it should look like, both sides. So in the Brahma Bull, as I call it, do not get a white buff, centerless, and put that thing on there, because that thing will explode. Not that I've done it, but it makes sense. So go in the back, hit your lock, boom, she's ready to roll. Like I said, these are probably 60, 70 bucks. I don't remember the price, but hey, Mr. Evan. And hey, the soy boy sitting in his mom's basement that emailed me about being unsafe, you're an effing idiot, dude. There's nothing unsafe about this. That over there without the bottom one, yes, but you were talking about this, so screw you, buddy. That's what I gotta say. Thanks for watching, man.